Jesus, you are the King of kings. You are the Lord of lords. In every heart you bring hope and peace galore. In the darkness you shine bright, guiding us with love. With your endless light, blessings from above. Jesus, you are the one, our hearts forever one. With you we stand strong, singing your praise all day long. Through every storm and trial, you walk with us each mile. Your love it never fades, it breaks through every shade. Jesus, you lift us high when we feel so low. With you we reach the sky. Your grace, it always flows. Jesus, you are the one, our hearts forever one. With you we stand strong, singing your praise all day long. Jesus, you lift us high when we feel so low. With